your kindergarten teacher. So today, we're going to learn about a new letter sound. Can you see the letter sound that I wrote on the blackboard? Do you know what sound this is? It's sh. This is letter sound sh. There is a story about letter sound sh. Listen carefully because I'm going to tell you the story. Once upon a time, a baby was born. The baby kept crying for so long. And then the mom tried to put him down. The baby asleep. And then the brother came and then played with his motorbike. Boom, 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 boom. He made so much noise. And then his mom came and said, shh, shh, be quiet, the baby's sleeping. Shh, shh. That was the story about letter sound shh. Can you guess what the action of letter sound shh? So you put your finger in front of your lips and you say Next, I'm going to show you some pictures that has letter sound sh. Please look at this picture. It's a fish. Fish. It has letter sound sh. Shells. Shells. Shells has letter sound sh. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep has letter sound sh. Ship. Ship. Ship has letter sound sh. Last one, shop. Shop. The word shop has letter sound sh. Next, I'm going to try to sing the song for letter sound sh. Music. In the next video, I'm going to explain about what you need to do on this page. Check it out.
Hi students, on this page, you're going to learn about letter sound sh. This is letter sound sh. Please look at the sheep here. Can you see the lines around the sheep? Please connect the line to complete the sheep's body. Next, please look at these words over here. All of these words have letter sound sh. Let's read all of them. Listen and repeat. Sh, up, sh, up, shop. Ish, ish, fish. Sh, eep, sh, eep, sheep. B, ash, b, ash, brush. In this section, you're going to find 3 pictures that have letter sound sh in them. If the word does not have letter sound sh, cross it out. This is a shoe. Shoe. The word shoe have letter sound sh. This is fish. Fish. The word fish has letter sound sh. This is a sheep. Sheep. The word sheep has letter sound sh. This is cheese. Cheese. Did you hear letter sound sh in cheese? No. So cross it out. In the last section, I want you to practice writing letter sound sh.
So that was the lesson about letter sound sh. I hope you can do the worksheet at home by yourself. That was from me for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.